What's the meaning of contraception? Contraception. Contraception.
Contraception. Contraception. Contraception refers to the deliberate use of methods, techniques, or devices to prevent pregnancy and/or the transmission of sexually transmitted infections during sexual intercourse. The result of contraception is the prevention or reduction of the likelihood of fertilization and conception. This can be achieved through various means, including the use of barrier methods such as condoms, hormonal methods such as birth control pills, and surgical methods such as sterilization. Contraception has played a significant role in empowering individuals to make informed choices about their reproductive health, enabling greater control over family planning and promoting overall well-being.